Next up here, Innovative Car Sound, a 1996 Lincoln Town Car. It now has a remote start alarm with quarter-mile pager, lock, unlock, pop trunk, remote start. Full featured alarm. If they hit it or pry open any one of the doors, it will fire off. There's the unlock. For the trunk, we push and we hold it down for about 3 to 4 seconds and it'll snap open. And for the remote start, all we do is simply hit the start key one time. The remote will whistle and the engine cranks. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. Remote start alarm installed on a 1996 Lincoln Town Car, quarter-mile pager, lock and unlock, full featured alarm. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.